Hello and welcome back to LearnWire. For those of you that have been following my channel, you all know I like to provide honest and open reviews which tend to highlight both pros and cons. Today, I'm going to provide an update for the software ClosersCopy. I feel like I would be doing the LearnWire community a disservice by not sharing my recent ClosersCopy experience with you. Now, before I share my experience with you, let me clarify that this video is going to focus on the customer support area of ClosersCopy, not necessarily on the functionality or quality of the software. If you have ClosersCopy, then you know it is a well-built software that is constantly being updated with great features. Okay, so here is what happened. So after my recent review video of the ClosersCopy software, I realized my affiliate links were not connected to the affiliate management company that ClosersCopy uses. I reached out to support and a person named Nico responded, who signed as the founder and CEO of the software. Each response was delayed about a day or two before he responded. Also, his responses were very short and unfortunately did not even match up with my request for support. For instance, I was troubleshooting this difficulty with my affiliate links not working, and he did not recognize this, and instead sent me to a video about becoming an affiliate. I had a technical issue, not a question about the affiliate program. I decided to see if I could get help from the affiliate management company, and they were very helpful but said that the issue must be fixed on ClosersCopy's end. The affiliate ID was not properly linked to the back end. I took screenshots and tried to be specific, as well as polite and professional when I emailed Nico back. 2 more days went by, and he got back to me with another very short and unhelpful response saying, "I didn't ask you to send any traffic to my software." Keep in mind, I spent over $300 on this software, and I am a customer first, and wanted to be a great affiliate for him as well. I decided to do further research on reviews of ClosersCopy, and I was not surprised to see that they hold a 2.9 stars out of 5 on Trustpilot. At the time of making this video, they have 1 3-star review and 2 1-star ratings. Let me show you these right now. You will see that they all mention terrible customer service from ClosersCopy. I know many of you use ClosersCopy, and I think you should continue to if you would like. I am, however, going to tell you that the customer support and professionalism is a massive part of business of any kind, and software services are no exception. I have been online for 12 years now and reviewed hundreds of softwares and purchased hundreds of products online, including courses, softwares, and all kinds of stuff. I cannot recall a time that I have ever been treated so poorly by a customer support representative. In this case, it was the CEO, Nico, that apparently does not value his own customers. I was surprised to see that he handles support himself, as big as ClosersCopy has become. One possible suggestion may be for ClosersCopy to invest into customer support and have at least 1 full-time customer support rep available. Many great companies and softwares that I review and follow often have at least 1 customer support person. To add to this, I've had several experiences with founders and CEOs that reach out to me since I review software, and I've been treated with kindness, professionalism, and respect. My experience with Nico from ClosersCopy didn't even come close to being treated with respect or professional courtesy. I have gotten requests from some of you to do more tutorials and comparisons on ClosersCopy. And to be honest with you, I was looking forward to providing these to you, but ethically and with my own integrity, I cannot promote or recommend ClosersCopy to anyone at this time. Like I said, this was the worst customer support I've ever experienced. Nico, for no reason that I can imagine, was terrible, rude, and uncaring of his customer and future affiliate. I contemplated whether or not to share my experience with you guys, but I am all about honesty here. I know this won't impact everyone, but a large percentage of customers may need customer support at some point, and they, meaning you, need to be aware of the behind-the-scenes support you will receive from ClosersCopy. If you have a copy of ClosersCopy and enjoy using it and get great results with it, then I encourage you to continue using it. However, ethically, I can no longer recommend the software after my experiences, and I hope you all understand that. I have decided that I will not be putting up any additional ClosersCopy content on this channel. I know another question I'll get is, well, then what do you recommend? Well, there are two other softwares that I would highly recommend based on my full reviews. These are Jarvis and WordHero. You can find my full reviews on these two softwares in the description below. Thanks again. If you made it to the end of this video and watch my channel, you may see this as a very different video than any of my other videos. I thank you for your time, and I look forward to bringing more software reviews soon. See you guys in the next video.